Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. My view about Solana remains unchanged. We have come down here in a 5-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, wave 4 might still be ongoing. Wave 5 not yet started, but this depends a little bit. So at the moment, it could also be that the wave 4 was already in here and the wave 5 was complete here. That a low is already in, but I don't really believe that. It would have to be some kind of a, well, truncated low, double bottom. Well, it's not really truncated. It was slightly lower than the previous one here, but the price action that has followed since the low is everything but just not bullish, not convincing. It looks very corrective still. I'm starting to think, is all of this just a triangle in a 4th wave? Yeah, this makes sense in my opinion. At the moment I had it as a wave A, then a wave B down, but the wave C is not following through at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to explore the possibility now of the wave 4 being a triangle. I think this is not unlikely. I'm going to look at this possibility for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe ADA as well, but I think there the count isn't that clear like a triangle. But here it would look like wave ABC is a wave A, 3-wave structure. Then we had a wave B here. Then this might have been the wave C. We're going to see a D wave down and an E wave up. This could of course extend out a little bit further. I mean, this could still push higher and the wave C might need to move as long as it stays below the A wave, which is here at $18.70. We can we have to be a bit flexible here with the triangle count. Triangles are always very, very difficult structures because they can change shape and so on. But yeah, overall, I mean, we can draw here a trend line. Of course, we only have 2 touch points here yet, but let's see if the price is going to follow it. It's going to adhere to it. It's not a very well defined triangle, but the count allows it because we're not really following through to the upside. We're not following through to the downside. And that would eventually mean this count that the wave 4 will be in where the E wave is in. And then the move down would be in a wave 5. Now that's one possibility. With triangles, you know, you can get it the other way around as well. There would just be a slightly different count. It would suggest that wave 4 is not finished yet. And then we would say, okay, we've seen here an A wave to the upside. This is now a B wave. The wave B is maybe the triangle, right? Let's see. And then there should be a wave C up. So it's possible as well. And that's why triangles are so difficult, because the B wave itself could be a triangle, but it's way too early to say that. So we have here wave A, B, C, D, E, and would then break to the upside. That's why it's so important to just sometimes just wait a little bit, be a bit patient. Triangles are extremely difficult to count. They can move in different directions. Here, very clearly, I mean, this is what the chart entails. The chart includes the possibility that we will move up, extend the wave 4 a little bit higher, and then come down in 5, or that we go down basically straight away. But the point is here, as my view is with Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, that we will push higher once more. This is not unlikely for Solana, even though Solana uncoupled a little bit, decoupled a bit from the others recently. But the very important message of this video is as well that there is not really any, let's call it bullish price action. There isn't really a strong sign that a bottom is in already. And as long as we don't really have that, I have to focus more on the downside. Solana would need to do a lot to convince me. I would want to see Solana at least to move above the $33 level to convince me that a low is in. Yeah, that would be the 78.6% retrace. But of course we can make assumptions earlier, but for that we need to see a clear impulse to the upside, which we don't see yet. So we want to see 5 waves to the upside. At the moment we don't have that. We only have 3 waves up. And yeah, at the moment I'd be very careful here with Solana. This may recover, this probably will recover, but of course I don't know, you know. That's the problem with altcoins. Just, you know, my view is always with altcoins we need to be diversified, not really have too much exposure to one single altcoin. And I think this strategy is quite relevant, especially at the moment. at the moment there is no clear bullish signal yet. And to the downside, we talked about it, support ranges or levels around $10 and then $5. Should we make a new low, then these will be the levels where we have another chance for a reversal. Okay, that's my update about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.